Hey YouTube, hope you're keeping well. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Really excited. I've got another minute mod for you today. That's a modification you can do to your Tacoma or vehicle in 1 minute or less. Today we've got some... Where do I put my head? That's weird. Whatever. Today we've got license plate covers. You know when you buy your vehicle and the dealership puts their license plate cover on it with all their information and you just become a free walking advertisement for the dealer? I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge fan of that, so we're going to go delete that. I'm going to be going through an install and then showing you what they look like. But before we do, I just want to say thanks so much for the support. We are almost at 700 subscribers right now. And we're on the road to 1,000. I'd love to hit 1,000 subscribers by August. That'll mark the 1 year mark of TRD Talks inception on YouTube. So really appreciate all the support. Let's run it up. Let's try to hit 1,000. And if you like the video, please feel free to drop a like, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and lets me know the specific types of videos I should be making for yourselves. But some context before we get into the install. I picked these license plate covers up on Amazon. I'll leave the link of the purchase down below. This isn't an affiliate. I don't get commission on that. I just thought these were cool and I bought them. One thing I will note is that I think they're a little bit overpriced. I paid $35 Canadian for this, so feel free to do the conversion. It's literally just a plastic cover. I paid a little extra for this style because I liked this style. The other ones I wasn't a huge fan of, but there are various options for license plate covers for your Tacoma or vehicle in general. So I'll go ahead and step out of the truck and show you what I have on there now, and then we'll go through the install. Also, sorry if I sound all stuffy and nasty. It's freezing cold in Canada right now. But as cold as it is, you know I'm still going to be drinking some iced coffee. Let's go. All right, sorry, we're in a little bit of a blizzard here, as you can see, but this is what we're working with here. You can see this is my dealer and a Canadian flag. Honestly, not a big fan of having the dealer, or at the moment even the Canadian flag. Not to get too political, but I'm not loving the direction this country is going lately. And going to the back of the truck, it's the same thing, except this one doesn't have a plastic cover over the top. The front one does. But again, just my dealer is Forbes in Waterloo, Ontario. Hey, if anybody's from Canada or Ontario, drop me a comment below. Let's do a meetup. As far as tools, pretty much the basic Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know if you actually need to see me unscrewing this and re-screwing the new one in. Maybe you like that. I don't know. But pretty straightforward. I've just got two up top here. It's a one-man show, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording while I get this taken off. So if we do the comparison, we've got the TRD versus the original, TRD. Loving the TRD so far. All right, and there is the back one. You can see it looks a lot better. One little piece that I actually didn't notice before is if you can see it, right up top here, it says TRD too. So it's a subtle TRD at the top and then an obnoxious TRD. So I think that cover looks a lot better than what we just took off. So compared, TRD all day. All right, all done. That took about a minute. I think it makes a big difference. Again, I always say this, but with the Tacoma, it's the little things that make a big difference. This truck is so good looking already. It's fun to kind of make it unique in your own. So that was one idea I had, is just license plate covers. Get rid of the dealer ones. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Feel free to let me know what you think I should do to the truck next. I'm always open to suggestions for new content. And hey, if you're in my area, let's try to do a meetup or something. I want to start connecting with my subscribers. Thanks so much and have a fantastic rest of your day.